Hey, this is Xbox 360 Republic. I'm here again with you with another set. This is a Lego City set. I don't really have too many of these. Here's just a normal worker. He works with this vehicle right behind us here, but I'll talk about that in a second. He just has a helmet and has a vest on, jacket. Nothing on the back though. Just a regular, normal Lego head, pretty much. Brown eyebrows. He's smiling. Nothing more really to it. And the vehicle. The vehicle is pretty small. This is like, not even like 15 pieces really. At least I think. Front of the vehicle. A little box here to hoist things up if he wants to. I'll just show you. Just his helmet. Hoist it up. It works actually pretty good. Down and all that stuff. And the engine, the side, little lights on the back here. A warning, caution light. Tools, 2 tools, a jackhammer, shovel, nothing more to that. A seat for him, driver's seat. And pretty much it. No more to the set, runs fast, great. It's a neat set, I guess, because the box, the thing here, and stuff. I give this 10 out of 10. I guess pretty much it for the set. Can't say nothing more. No flaws. Just a very small set. I don't believe you can get this anymore. This set here, I don't believe you can get that anymore because they just cut it out. But you can get the bigger sets. There's a bigger set for this. Yeah. This is Xbox 360 Republic signing out. Goodbye.